Wait, hold on, man. Hold on. This, we want to know how old is this boy?
I'm so proud.
The way this boy appeared, we are shocked, man.
Yeah, bright future.
See how he's rapping so fast, isn't it?
Pretty much, man.
Faster than those guys, man. How old? What is his name, guys? Tell us his name, guys.
Put your comment.
Wow. That's it.
We the
Check it,
West
man.
Coast.
Check it.